What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be the first episode to my brand new React Native series, where we are going to take a deep dive into the world of mobile application development with React Native. Now, I'd like to say you picked the perfect time to venture into the world of mobile application development. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because in today's day and age, more and more companies are drifting towards cross-platform mobile application development. And React Native happen to be one of the best tools on the market or in the industry today that helps achieve this goal. With React Native, you can basically have one code base which works for both iOS and Android. This basically means half the effort and then twice the results. So whether you're dreaming of building your own tech startup or landing a remote job, or even just leveling up your skills as a software developer, React Native is in demand and it's very powerful and it's only getting better and better. Now, my main objective with this series is that I want you to understand how things work under the hood, not just memorize steps or follow along blindly. Each video is designed to break down the concepts in simple, beginner-friendly language. So by the time we are done, you won't just know how to build an app, you will know why you are doing what you are doing. This isn't going to be one of those copy-paste and pray it works tutorial, no. In this series, we're going to take a very different approach. And here's the best part. By the end of this series, we're going to build a movie app together. It will include everything from beautiful UI to navigation to state management, fetching data from an API, user authentication, and many more. You'll walk away with a beautiful and working project you can showcase. And even better, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to build your own ideas from scratch. Hopefully at this point, you are very hyped and ready to begin your journey as a mobile application developer. If that's the case, do want to leave a thumbs up on this video. It really helps more people find this content and helps the channel as well. And also, you can go ahead and leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help this channel grow.